English essay. Doctor. Doctor. A doctor is a very important person in our lives. Doctors help sick people get better and keep us healthy. They check our body, give us medicine, and tell us how to stay well. Some doctors work in hospitals while others work in clinics. They are kind, caring, and always ready to help, even at night. Doctors wear white coats and use tools like a stethoscope. To become a doctor, one must study hard for many years. We should always respect doctors for their hard work. They are real life heroes who save lives and make the world a healthier place. Thank you, friends. Please like, share, and subscribe.